Well, I'm out here in downtown Sandpoint, and we've gotten a lot of calls recently from people who have leaking in the roofs with all this crazy amount of rain that we've gotten here. And just wanted to show you guys something that's super important. So this client just recently got this roof done. I mean, it looks really new. The installer did a relatively good job on the install of the shingles part. But the biggest thing is that they didn't flash this chimney properly. And the problem with that is now this homeowner has an incredible amount of leaking. So while the installers did a really good job on the shingle part, looks like they cut the corners on the chimney flashing. And now this customer is paying for it because she's got drywall problems. And bubbling and water dripping incessantly. So something to consider when you guys are getting roof replacements is making sure all components of the roof get hit, because if not, you might end up like this lady and have a major leaking problem even though you just got a brand new roof. So PSA out there to make sure you know exactly what you're getting in a roof replacement so that you don't have to deal with headaches down the line.